Our fully online pharmacy technician certification program is your fast track to a rewarding healthcare career, offering comprehensive industry-aligned training. Complete your certification in as little as 120 hours. Whether it takes 4 weeks or 6 months, we provide the flexibility to fit your life. Enroll, learn at your own pace, and prepare for certification with full support every step of the way. Launch a career earning $33,000 to $57,000 annually with opportunities in hospitals, pharmacies, pharmaceutical companies, and emerging telehealth services. With over 23,000 new pharmacy tech jobs opening annually, you'll play a key role in bridging patient care and medical technology in this booming industry. For just $1,295, with a $100 down payment and flexible financing, your dream career is within reach. Enroll now and take control of your future today with Intelvio's Pharmacy Technician Certification Program.